Creating your first YouTube video can be an exhilarating and nerve-wracking experience. Just ask Mark, a 24-year-old aspiring content creator who had always dreamed of starting his own YouTube channel. Mark had watched countless YouTube videos and admired the creativity and confidence of the creators he followed. One day, he decided it was time to take the plunge and create his own channel. Before we dive into the video, if this is your first time watching our video and coming across our channel, our brand name is Magahit Agency. We are established digital expert and seasoned freelancer. Through our YouTube channel, our primary objective is to share knowledge and demystify the strategies that can propel small content creators to transform their channels from modest beginnings into thriving monetized platforms swiftly and effortlessly. Our YouTube channel is a dedicated resource for individuals seeking to turn their creative passion into a lucrative endeavor, making the journey from a small channel to a monetized one more accessible and attainable for all. So kindly subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Like the video and drop a comment in the comment section. Here's how Mark navigated the journey of creating his first YouTube video, step by step. Step 1. Finding a niche. Mark knew that the first step in creating a successful YouTube channel was finding a niche. He had a wide range of interests, from cooking and travel to technology and fitness. After much contemplation, Mark decided to focus on tech reviews and tutorials. He had always been a tech enthusiast and felt confident sharing his knowledge and passion with others. Choosing a niche not only helped Mark define his content, but also allowed him to target a specific audience. Step 2. Planning the content. With his niche selected, Mark moved on to planning his first video. He decided to review the latest smartphone on the market, a topic he was excited about and well-versed in. Mark outlined his video, breaking it down into an introduction, main features of the phone, pros and cons, and a conclusion. This outline served as a roadmap, ensuring he covered all necessary points and kept the video structured and engaging. Step 3. Gathering equipment. Mark didn't have a professional studio or high-end equipment, but he knew he could start with what he had. He used his smartphone to record video, a basic tripod to keep the shots steady, and natural lighting from his window to illuminate his face. Mark also invested in an affordable lapel microphone to ensure good audio quality, as he had learned that clear sound is crucial for viewer retention. Step 4. Filming the video. The day had come for Mark to film his first video. He set up his equipment, ensuring everything was in place, and tested his microphone to avoid any technical glitches. Despite feeling nervous, Mark took a deep breath and started recording. He followed his outline, making sure to speak clearly and confidently. It took a few takes to get everything right, but Mark didn't let minor mistakes discourage him. He reminded himself that practice makes perfect, and that even the most successful YouTubers started somewhere. Step 5. Editing the video. After filming, Mark transferred the footage to his computer and began editing. He used a free video editing software, which provided all the basic features he needed. Mark trimmed unnecessary parts, added text overlays for clarity, and included some background music to make the video more engaging. Editing took time and patience, but Mark enjoyed the creative process of bringing his vision to life. Step 6. Uploading and optimizing. Once satisfied with his final cut, Mark uploaded the video to YouTube. He filled out the necessary details, including a catchy title, detailed description, and relevant tags to help people find his video. Mark also created a custom thumbnail, understanding that a visually appealing thumbnail could attract more clicks. He researched SEO best practices and ensured his video was optimized for search, hoping to reach a wider audience. Step 7. Promoting the video. Mark knew that simply uploading a video wasn't enough. He needed to promote it. He shared the video link on his social media accounts and asked friends and family to support him by watching, liking, and sharing the video. Mark also joined online tech communities and forums, where he could share his content with people interested in tech reviews. Engaging with his audience and other content creators helped Mark build a network and increase his video's visibility. Step 8. Learning and improving. After publishing his first video, Mark eagerly awaited feedback. He monitored the comments section and analytics to understand how viewers received his content. Constructive criticism helped him identify areas for improvement, while positive comments motivated him to keep creating. Mark knew that each video was a learning experience, and he was determined to improve his skills and grow his channel over time. Creating his first YouTube video was a significant milestone for Mark. It was a journey filled with excitement, challenges, and valuable lessons. By taking a step-by-step approach, Mark successfully launched his channel and set the foundation for future growth. For anyone looking to start their own YouTube journey, Mark's experience serves as an inspiring example of how dedication and passion can turn a dream into reality. Thank you for watching this video. If you find this helpful, kindly subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you once again, and see you in the next video.